In this video, I'm gonna give you a footwork drill for West Coast Swing. What's up, gang? It's Brian B from West Coast Swing and Line. Don't worry, Miss Megan will be in this video a little later. But in this video, we're gonna cover an awesome footwork drill. This video is gonna be good for people in a couple of different ways. Number one, if you are struggling with your timing, this drill is gonna help you solidify your timing in West Coast Swing. Number two, if you want to expand your styling, this is gonna be a great drill to practice some styling options. Here's why this drill is important. West Coast Swing is a 2-beat increment dance. If we walk through our basics, like a sugar push, 1, 2, it's a whole beat. 3 and 4 is a whole beat. 5 and 6 is a whole beat. If I dance the whip, 1, 2 is a whole beat. 3 and 4 is a whole beat. 5, 6 is a whole beat. 7 and 8. So 2, 4, 6, and 8 are always whole beats. Whether we're walking or whether we're triple stepping, they're always whole beats. So let's take a peek at the feet, learn the footwork drill, and then we'll do it all together. So we're gonna tap step first. So we're gonna tap 1, we're gonna step on the left foot for 2, we're gonna tap for 3, we're gonna step for 4, we're gonna do it again for 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first 8 is just tap steps. Tap 1, step 2, 3, step 4, 5, step 6, 7, step 8. That's the first 8, right? Number 2, we're gonna do our triple steps, and we're gonna do our triple steps. Let's start in front. So in front, we're gonna rock 1 and 2. Then we're gonna rock the opposite direction, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So if we put those together, we have tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Transition to the triples, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now let's transition back to the tap steps for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth set of 8, we're going to go, or actually fifth set of 8, we're going to go back with our triples for 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and transition back to our tap steps. With our taps, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back, triple, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, tap steps, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, forward triples, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 to the taps, and so on and so forth. So we're gonna do that music in a second. But what's great about this is, number one, it's helping our timing, clarifying 2, 4, 6, and 8. It's clarifying it whether we're doing triples or tap steps. It's clarifying whether we're going back or forward with our triples. If you want to improve your styling, we can work on things like rolling through the feet through these triples, right? Where I don't just plod myself through the triples. I can work on rolling through my feet, right? I can work on pulsing through my shoulders. I can work on angles of my body. You could probably even work in some arm styling. So this gives you a drill to do it. So next up, we're gonna play some music. Megan and I are gonna do this before we have a little recap for you. Welcome, Miss Megan. All right, so we're gonna play the music. It's an 8-beat intro, and then we're gonna start the steps. Don't worry, I'll count you in. Here we go. 5, 6 with a tap, step, tap. 3, 4, 5, 6, back, triple. 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, tap steps next. Tap, step, 3, 4, 5, 6, forward triple, tap steps, back triples, tap steps, forward triples, tap steps. Cool. So we're going to do that one more time, the music. Now, as we're expanding, I said that this is good for 2 people. I lied. It's good for 3 things in West Coast Swing. Number 1, improving our timing and anchoring ourselves to 2, 4, 6, and 8. That's a swing beat, you know, East Coast Swing 1 and 2. Those are the beats we need to focus on. Number 2, it's going to let us practice our styling. And number 3, as we do this again in music, I want you to focus on the musicality. So again, we have an entire musicality course. We've got a great video on musicality. I'll link that up here. Where you can download our #1 key to musicality, and we'll talk a little bit about that if you're interested. But here I just want you to focus on the changes in the music every 8 beats and then through the phrases every 32 beats. You'll feel pickups and drops in the music, and so we can, those transitions will happen in the 8 beat segments of this drill. So even though you're doing a triple, the music might seem different and you'll want to move different, and that's what I want you to explore here. So let's do it one more time, the music, and then I'll drop the links for the musicality and styling stuff, and then we'll be off to the races. Here we go. Music, please, maestro. 8 beat intro. 5, 6 with a tap, steps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back triple. Music change right there, right? Tap steps. 4 triples, music changes again. Tap steps. Back triple. Tap steps. You can feel the build in the music. Tap steps. Back triples. Let's wait for the music to change one more time. Tap steps. So again, this is kind of quiet, right? So my triples might be quiet. So you get the idea. So there is a great drill to practice your footwork for West Coast Swing to improve your styling, your timing, and your musicality. Now we've got our #1 key to musicality. It's called counting straight 8s. That's an important video for you to watch if you're interested in musicality. #2 is our footwork, rolling through your feet drill, which will help you style this up. Cool? So those are the 2 gifts I have for you. Thanks, and we'll see you guys on a dance floor again soon.